I'll tell you how it's done, okay? See, you take this. Hado. You put it like this. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Hi everyone, I am Meenal. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. Today is Holi. Today is a very special vlog. Hi. So Myra is already up and we have decided, oh, somebody else is also up. Hi. Good morning. We have decided to do Holi a bit differently, and I hope it will be fun for the kids, and I hope it will be fun for us, and I hope it will be fun for you to watch. So come along and see how we do it. So I've got some DIY kits which involve a lot of colors. So we have this fluid art. We have two fluid arts. We have one fridge magnet shell something. We have coloring mats for the kids, which I loved, and I will tell you in the description how it is. It's a really good product. I got it from First Cry. So that is that. I'll put some colors, organic colors here, and we have some sweets. Happy Holi! So Kimaira and Myra both have already received Holi gifts. I got them a lot of stuff. My mom sent them a lot of stuff. And because already वो आ चुका था तो वो खुल चुका है, वो ख़त्म हो चुके हैं. So we have to do something new today, and I want to involve a lot of artistic coloring things. So it will be good for the kids also. It will be enjoyable also. It will be colorful also. They'll get to learn a lot of new things. And because I don't want to involve a lot of color playing and wasting water, obviously थोड़ा सा तो हम करेंगे because होली है, उसके बिना होली is, they have to have the experience, but I'm gonna try my level best to make it like a fun, a different, yet a very rememberable Holi. So time currently is 9 AM. हम लोग उठ गए, उसके बाद मायरा उठ गई, अभी के मायरा उठी है. So we'll have our breakfast and we'll get started. I don't want to have like a lot of breakfast because I've already planned with some like पानी पूरी और अलग अलग मिठाइयाँ और क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं, मतलब ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे स्नैक्स हैं. So we'll just have coffee and kids will have milk, and yeah. And then we'll play Holi. Holi, 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 Holi. So for today's activity, I've got this fridge, a magnet, DIY making shells or something. I don't know exactly, but it's like you're supposed to make fridge magnets through shells. It's a DIY kit, so that will be one of the activities that I'm gonna do. I've got this abstract coloring, which already we have started because we received it early. So we have got this book from Amazon, this for Karan, and I've got myself this one. I've also got some brush pens and sketch pens and everything, and this is the main item. So I've got this my coloring mat. I've got two of these. One is space and one is fairies. I had asked Myra which one she wanted. She said fairies, so I got the space one for Myra. So according to them, what they're claiming is it's a mat, and then it comes with sketch pens, and you can color it, and then you can wash it, and then you can color it again. So I think it will be a really fun activity for today. I'll open it and share it with you how it is, and I'll also share a link in the description box because I feel it's a really good product. And I've also got some fluid art kits for us to do that, so it'll be very colorful and holy-ish. So yay. Obviously we have this pichkari for kids. The frozen one is obviously for Kimaira, and the unicorn one is for Myra. Favorite song? Waka waka, eh eh. So it has matte and the color. What did you do? What did you do? Oh, yay! Don't अपनी बालकनी में ही थ्रो करना बेबी, बाहर नहीं हाँ।
थ्रो।
तो मोटा ही नहीं। Is it hot outside? Myra is coming. Wait, Babu. Not put it. Don't mind. Wait. Let her play with it. Like let her. What is it? Myra's yeah. लगा लिया?
Let the oil go. And we'll put face on my paint.
You'll put face on the paint or you'll put paint on your face?
Paint on my face.
Is it paint or it is holy colors?
Holy colors. Mommy.
अच्छा वो बता दो. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I'll tell you how it's done, okay? See, you take this. Hajo. You put it like this. And you put and then you take one. And then do you like holy?
Yes.
Don't do that. No.
Yes.
Okay.
Yummy, yummy.
Low pizza.
No.
Hold Mickey Mouse plate.
Yeah.
Do you want it?
My mom also.
Bob, first finish your pizza, then you'll get it, okay?